All right, let's see what this box has inside. Hey everybody, it's Linda Bartolucci with Ink Stampin' Scrap, and today we are going to talk about the new colors in the upcoming annual catalog. So this beautiful catalog starts on May 4th, and you can... Ta-da! Packing paper! No, just kidding. We don't care about all this stuff. But this is what we care about. All right. So right off the bat, just gonna move this up a little bit. We have these beautiful jewels. Oh my gosh, I love these and I can't wait to use them. They are really pretty and they don't stand up very much. Okay, let's keep going. We got a couple ribbons here. This is that polished pink and pale papaya. Super excited to use these. Here, let's see. Here's all 5 of the ink pads. Gorgeous. This is the bundle that I chose. This is Pansy Patch. I love the font. I love the greetings. I can't wait to use all this. And then these were really cool. These are the dies because some of them were, to cut the stamps, but others were decorative. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Look at these. These are going to be so fun to use to add to cards. And then, of course, you have all the ones that'll cut everything out. I love this combination. Oh, I can't wait to use this. All right. There's that. Slide this back in so I don't lose it. All right, and then I got all the blends. This one opened up. I got the blends in all the new, I think I got them in all, maybe just a few. Okay, I lied. I got the blends in 3 of the new colors. So this is soft succulent, pale papaya, and polished pink. Do you see a theme here? Those are my top 3 colors. And then we got a package of polished pink, a package of pale papaya, goes that way, a assorted package, which gives me a little bit of everything, and a package of soft succulent, because these 3 are my top favorites of the new colors. All right. Oh, I got soft succulent. There's the theme. See, all 3 colors. I got it in ribbon, I got it in the blends, and I got all the ink pads. And then this is the Pansy Patch paper. Yep, Pansy Petals, they're calling it. Let's open that. All right. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to see this. It's pretty. So pretty. And it has a lot of the in colors used in this, and that's the other reason that I wanted to get this paper. Okay, wait, I'm doing it wrong. I'm talking, gotta flip. Okay, there's that. Then we get this beautiful leaf, and on the back of that, we get, oh, a pretty checkerboard, and then, or plaid, I guess. Then the little pansies with a different plaid. And then big, beautiful pansies with, coming up, da, da, da. Oh, polka dots, cool. And then this is pretty. I like that this is like soft seafoam in the background. And that goes with gorgeous, bold stripes. Totally screams Guy card. Can't wait to try that out. Beautiful pansies again with a white background and another checkerboard. Okay, I'm seeing a theme here. And there we go. All right, so just to summarize real quick, I got the paper, I got the bundle, So you'll be seeing lots from this. Sorry for the glare, we'll move that off. And then I got 3 of the blends. I got 3 of the ribbon in the same colors. We got these really cool new jewels in all 5 new colors. And then I got all 5 ink pads. Oh my gosh, so excited to share all of this with you. All right, let's start this off, right? Let me show you all 5 colors together on one project, because I really think you don't get the whole flavor of the colors until you see them all together. So this is using the Pretty Perennials bundle. These are the dies, and I used Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen to make the leaves. And then I used a combination of the Pale Papaya, Polished Pink, and Fresh Freesia to make the flowers. I brought the darker color in the Evening Evergreen back in for my greeting. So this just shows you how well all 5 colors work together. But now let's talk about how they can work with some of our existing colors. Every year, Stampin' Up! Introduces 5 new colors, and these are the new colors for the upcoming catalog. They will be around for 2 years, not 3, 2 years. So they'll be in the new catalog starting in May and go all the way through 2023. So let me introduce you to them. This is Evening Evergreen. This is Soft Succulent. This is Polished Pink, Fresh Freesia, and Pale Papaya. So these are going to be our 5 new friends. And one thing that I always love about the ink colors is how well they work with one another. And what I'm going to show you next is how they work with our existing colors. I have to say that in some cases, they work better with each other than I was able to find colors that complement them. You definitely are going to find plenty of colors that coordinate with them. For instance, you could send this off with some light blues and it would be beautiful. You could match this up with some reds and you're off to the races for the holidays. But as far as complementary colors, that's what we're going to work on today. Let's start with my favorite, Polished Pink. So for Polished Pink, I picked Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, and Blushing Bride. If I was going to make a card, these are colors that I would combine together. I could even just take this with any single one of these or make it a trio. And I think no matter what way you did this, you would be happy with the project that you create. As far as Fresh Freesia goes, I picked Blackberry Bliss, Highland Heather, and Magenta Madness. And again, I think that you could do all 4 of these or any combination of 3 with the Fresh Freesia. They would make a beautiful card highlighting our purples and pinks. All right, Pale Papaya. When I saw this color, I was super excited because I have missed having a real peachy color. We have Petal Pink, which I paired with it. It's got this a little more on the pink side, but it still has orange undertones. Then I added Calypso Coral. I couldn't find another color in the current palette that I liked with the Pale Papaya that was more in the orangey kind of tones. So I went with a neutral and I picked Gray Granite as the neutral that I would pair with any one of these. So again, you can mix and match to make a really cute card. The next color is Evening Evergreen, and I have missed having a real dark green with more of blue undertones, and that's what this one has. So again, for this one, I struggled a little bit to find current colors that will work. I actually pulled in one of the new colors. So Soft Seafoam contrasts with it beautifully. Soft Succulent is the other new in color, and I think these two go together great. In fact, one of the sheets of the pansy paper that I will be showing you in just a couple of minutes has both of these colors together on one sheet. And then the Gray Granite I picked again as my neutral. I think Gray Granite goes really well with almost all of the new in colors. Let me show you how well Evergreen and Succulent go together. Here they are on this stripe from the pansy petal designer series paper. So there's your Evening Evergreen, Soft Seafoam, and Soft Succulent is the medium toned color on this striped sheet. And it just looks great together. So you can see just here that those three colors go together very well. All right, so for our last in color, the new color is Soft Succulent, and I paired it again with Soft Seafoam, as we just saw. It goes together really well with that. I think it also goes together well with Just Jade. Just Jade really pops off of it. It's much more subtle behind it, but I definitely think it will work, and I've already done lots of projects this year with Soft Seafoam and Just Jade, and I really like them together. But this time I went with Smoky Slate as my neutral. It pulls a little more of the blue out of these colors, but I think it would work just fine. I also think, I'm just going to bring it back in, you could still use gray granite with this as well, and I think that would be fine too. It's just going to give you a different color pull. So that wraps up my introduction to the new in colors in the upcoming annual catalog for Stampin' Up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please click that subscribe button and be sure to ring the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And if you'd like more information about ink, stamp, and scrap and all things paper crafting, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Ink, Stamp, and Scrap. Have a great day.